This thing is just giving a small error in the build. The error looks like it's in the installer. It's correct. Preference. Yeah, messages are going. Okay, I need to do some work on this tonight. In parallel, I'm just preparing new builds because duplicate file name exists or the file cannot be found. I don't understand these areas or what. I don't understand what it is. Check as well as scan. Yeah. It's not doing this on 234. Could give a useful clue. 234. Okay, this is a template file. It was converted into tmac.nsi. Sorry, not this one. Yes, the template file plus, yeah, basically. So this becomes this. Updater. Update is missing. Alright. Double the source updated with exe. Updater. Sorry, exe. So that's all that's missing is update. Let me have a look if updater, if it's something I can easily build or not. Not sure. Everywhere else I'm using v141 XP. What is it? C++ code generation. Audio debug. Audio DLL. General. Where is it? There we go. Yeah. Platform toolset. I'm not sure if I want to use the XP one. I have a feeling it might be causing problems. I'm not sure though, I need to test because I'm having a problem where on the Xhosa server, Windows Server 2012, the new build doesn't work with Saf3. And I want to see if building the whole spiel with not with the XP option, if that makes any difference. This work. The other thing I'm going to try with that Saf3 story is that the place it's crashing, I'm going to wrap with a. It's not hooking. Exception handler isn't kicking in. What I want to do is wrap it with a try catch and just see if that somehow helps. Oh, that doesn't exist in this task requires the application to have elevated permissions. What? Update? What's so special about the updater? Oh, wait a minute. It's an updater. It's an application updater. So it may actually be asking for elevated permissions in order to update applications. My colleague Malcolm wrote it, so this should be initialized to... Oh, yeah. I'm not worried about it running it though, it just needs to be built and needs to be there so that the installer can work. Running is another story. Right. So let's close this and see then if that's okay. Now that exe is there, I want to see if that fixes this. It's going to be a short stream, and then I have to take a break from the stream, and then I'll be back streaming later tonight. So then, Windows 17, beta 2. Okay. That sounds really childish. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah. That's right. This is not okay, hold on, and I will run while it goes running. That's pretty much how it works. Then they get like 100 followers in one day. It takes me 6 months to build like 100 followers. They just, you know. Anyway, but that's female privilege. They all do it though. It's like they're all the same. It's amazing. You see these all these girl channels. They're like identical. It's the exact same formula. The same sort of messages in their tweets, and the same cleavage shots, and the same. You know, it's the same. It's like a formula almost. You can have a formula to gain followers on if you're a girl on Twitch. I would probably do it too if I was female. If I was a girl, I would also be just, you know, I do things the hard way. Do what works. That's life. Do what works. I mean, here I am running a programming stream. That's not exactly the most popular topic in the world for gaining lots of followers. Yeah. Kill them. Why? Oh, I'm trying to build this as just a folder. Yeah, I kind of need to work. Oh no, it's so big. It's too big. I need to somehow use less space there. I need to make some serious progress on this. This thing. And so long, yeah, I mean, let me just hit the thing here. I'll probably be doing some PHP tonight, I guess. No files are found. Looking. Control. Oh, no, probably because of the file types there. Yeah. Now it's searching the images and all that nonsense. It's a bit slow. It's with started PHP, started HTML, started HTML, started CSS, started JS, text. I don't like this font somehow, it looks a bit plain. Arial. I feel like I want to use a different font, but... Oh yes, I want to do maybe browse for free web templates. That's a bit vague. I don't know, I want... Oh shit. That's weird. It's resolving correctly. Oh, there we go. That's weird. I don't know what happened there. So I've done I've got them on SiteGround, which one? What I think maybe. Yeah, I think that's probably what happened. Because, yeah, it's a long story. I ended up moving that one twice. So it's possible that I was moving around during the day and connecting on mobile. Maybe on the mobile connection the DNS was out of date and got the previous IP or something. So yeah, I've done 4 domains now: grayscalegames.com, taildatabase.com, secure. Be really nice. So yeah, I doubt it's going to make any difference, but in theory it should help a little bit. Yeah, but it's really nice to see secure connection. But I'll have to do the rest. It's really complex to move the sites. There's a lot of databases. It's a really complex tangled web. There's a lot of subdomains and subsites, and it's really, and there's live, like our sales system is live, running off twineedge.com. If you order pay with a credit card, it connects to twineedge.com, which connects into the database to generate new license numbers, stuff like that. So it's tricky to change hosts because I have to basically, I don't know, maybe do it on the weekend when I can you know, there's people are less likely to buy, then I'll just pause the sales system until the DNS switches over. Just pause it like on Friday night or Saturday night. And but there's, you know, it takes 24 to 48 hours to globally. So there's, I don't know exactly what I should do. Maybe, oh, I know what I did last time. I remember. I configured it that I think I set up a special setting. How did I do it? Maybe I can, on the old server, point to the new database server and just add a permission in PHP myadmin. Yeah, that could do it. Like, in PHP myadmin, I can add the current Swanage.com IP address as being allowed to connect to the new MySQL database. Maybe it'll work, I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to do that. And then maybe just have it connect to the same, both connect to the same new data copy of the database. So like flip a switch that even the old domain points to the new database. That could work. Or I just down the system for a weekend. It's not like we have 100 sales per minute. It's nowhere near that, so it'll be quiet. I think I'll just turn off the automated activation for a weekend and then switch it over. I wish. Yeah, we have like, our sales system processes like 500 sales per second. Yeah, if that was the case, I'd probably not be streaming here. I'd be sitting on a yacht somewhere, and somebody else would be doing this. Yeah. I feel like in terms of website design, like I grew up in the 90s, you know. I've been using the web since 1995, and my sense of web design is still grounded in the 90s. Like that's what I like in a website. I like a website, not 1990s, but that's a bit much. But my sense of website design is like 10 years behind, like it predates smartphones. I don't like these modern websites that are designed for smartphones. So people ask me to do web design sometimes, and I don't feel comfortable doing it because I'm old-fashioned with website design, and I need to. Hold on a second. I wonder if this can be used for non-commercial use. I don't like any website. It's, they really are worse though. I wanna. Part of the problem is like a website now has to be like, you know, whereas in the old days, like you maybe had to support 800 by 600. Now it has to completely go to like this. I mean, that's, yeah, I don't know, it's really. It's not wrong to be responsive, that's not what I'm saying. It's just like desktop computers are far richer and more powerful, and I don't know, it's like, you know, you have a big screen that you can put a lot of information on and you can do a lot with that. So you can add detailed information about a product, or and if I, you know, me, I want detailed information on stuff. I'm not like, oh, I want to spend half a second having an advert make me feel good, and then, you know, I want, that's not how I buy. But I'm not a businessman, so you got to do what works. You got to do. So we have this really dated look on our website because it's not wrong or bad. It's like, it's just 10 years ago style, and it's rich in information. It's like information dense, and there's a lot of links and a lot of pages and sub pages. You know, there's a lot on here, but you know, like we even have a knowledge base, you know, with knowledge base articles on our software, and this knowledge base is actually developed in our software. So it's got an online publishing point. I can open the knowledge base and in TLex and publish it to the website to update the knowledge base. That's really cool. Which the average website doesn't have, because we're a software business. So I mean, or software activation stuff like software license recovery, all this stuff. You know, if you've forgotten your registration details, you can go here and try to recover it. Or and then we have research publication section, you know, which is and this I don't think is responsive because it's a big table. Yeah, but you know, it's a list of research publications that Swanage members are involved in, and you know, there's a lot of information here and a lot of articles. This I really wouldn't, it's one big thing that's nagging me, so not HTTPS. Free tutorial videos, yeah. An order page, you know, little basic shopping cart or order page. There's a lot going on this site. You know, there's information in different languages. Spanish, you know, there's... People dismiss the site, they come in and they're like, oh, that doesn't look nice. Or... you don't just, you know, I can't just drop in a new template. I feel like I want a new logo as well. I was... Oh, that's better. That's better. Yeah? Just hold on. Give me 5 minutes. free, just for free. Select your plan now. Place your name shown. Yeah, this looks. I'm gonna maybe try this. It's